Well, it looks like we've finally got it back, the little old frog-eyed. She's pretty rough. Even the birds ain't impressed, look. Nor Ferdinand. He's looking over. Right, I thought I'd just take this video because when I start taking bits off, it's never ever going to be the same. She's pretty rotten all the way through. I think this might be a wee bit of a challenge, to be fair. I think as soon as we start undoing a few things, it's either going to fall in half or something or other. Well, looks like we're going to be doing YouTube clips on the frog-eyed project by the looks of things. Look at that, cobwebs and all. Yep, you're right, if you have a look, you can see straight through to the floor. She is grim. I think the wipers are good though. That hasn't seen the light of day for 30 years. This is either going to be an incredible project or a very, very big nightmare. What do you reckon, Ronnie? You impressed? Look a little bit angry about it. There might be a little bit of grot round it. What do you reckon? Well, all donations accepted. Right. I think it's going to be take the bonnet off and see how bad it is underneath there as well, and start having a little play on a lovely sunny day. This is what it's all about. See you later.